Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we are going to see the design of the Ola and what all features we got in the Ola. So as here you can see, this is how the scooter looks like. It comes with a quite big wheels. If I show you, it also comes with a disc brake here, and it only have a side stand, and towards the back it also have a disc brake here. So these were the side stands. Here you get a clip to hang your items. Here is the speaker, and here you get the USB charging port. When I come to its dashboard, so you got a quite big screen as well as some buttons. So here it is the light button, and here is the turn indicator, and here is the cruise mode as well as the reverse mode activation button, and here the horn, and here it change the mode button and power on and power off, and these buttons are to accept call or like play or pause music. For that purpose, mostly in some other video will show you how the music works. So all these things are for music. And here you got the throttle, which moves downward as well and in upward also, and brakes and quite good mirrors also. So let me quickly turn it on. When you are going to turn it on, it will ask your passcode because it don't have any key to lock and unlock this device. So now it is unlocked. So this is the home screen for this one, and to open the boot you can like press this one. It shows a quite good animation. This is your boot under the seat. Yeah, it's quite big, where you easily can put your helmet as well as the charger. I have there, we'll put that one. Let's try to put it. One helmet and the charger we can easily put. Close this one due to the screen. So right now I have not paired this one with my phone. So yeah, it is showing pair your phone to play music. It shows about the modes and all. So right now it is in parking mode. If I press and turn it on, okay, my stand is open. So now it is in normal mode and it is in turn on mode. I can move this scooter by giving throttle. It shows how much distance it can cover as well as the light. As here you can see, it is in dim, and I can switch this one to straight. So let me show you the light, how it looks when turned on. So right now you can see both the light are glowing. Let me turn back and change this one to light to this down one. So one light is glowing now. One more also feature to turn on the DRLs. Once I on that, as here you can see on the side it is glowing now. Let me turn all the lights. As here you can see, right now all the lights are glowing, and I can also blow the DRL. So right now you can see only the DRLs are glowing. So this is how the light looks like. It shows an indicator when the stand is open. Now it is closed, so it is not showing that indicator. And here the time, and if I scroll here, it shows the option to use your map. This is how the map looks like, but right now it is not working. They use Map My India, not the Google Map here. If I switch here, this is the music option. If you have paired your device, you will get the music to play and pause. That we are going to cover in some other video, how the exactly music plays here and the sound clarity and how you can control those. So here you can increase the brightness of the screen. So here it shows the battery status and the temperature of the battery also, and how much kilometer you have covered in eco, normal, sports and hyper, and the top speed that you have covered today, and the average speed, distance. It also gives you a call center support number We are in setting. Let me go to all setting. Here you get the option to switch to dark mode. So now it got switched to dark mode. I can switch back to light mode. Here you get the option to change the passcode and about section, distance covered, software version, sound, media volume you can decrease and increase, and here the Bluetooth you can turn off, turn on the Bluetooth. Here the software updates if we have. This is how the dashboard of this OLA scooter looks like. So that's all in the quick review of this OLA scooter. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.